How to fix Jasper still isn't writing in the language I've selected? Follow these most common troubleshooting steps. 1. Make sure that even if you have switched languages in the Workspace tab, you have also turned on the toggle next to the selected language. Without the toggle being purple, you will still not get your language when you use Jasper. 2. If you are using a template, make sure that your tone of voice is also written in the language you are wanting. Sometimes when the tone of voice is written in a different language, Jasper will default to writing in English again. 3. Your language might not be offered with DeepL.